Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete Instagram story. Are you done with your story on Instagram or don't like it and want to delete it before 24 hours? Here's how you can delete Instagram story. First, go to your story by tapping on your profile picture at the top of the home feed. Next, find the story you want to delete and tap the three dots in the lower right corner. Finally, tap delete, then confirm, and your story will be gone. And that's all. Deleting a story on Instagram is quick and easy, so don't be afraid to get rid of old stories that you're no longer interested. You can also save stories if you wish. The other option, if your Instagram story made it to the archive section and that got you thinking it's probably too late to throw it in the trash, think about. Here's the deal, even if your story is in the archive already, you can delete it. Although notable, it will still be there in your profile's recently deleted section for the next 30 days. But here's how you can delete old stories on IG in the first place. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. In the upper right corner, tap on the three horizontal lines icon. Then, select Archive option. Now, open the specific story you wish to remove from your Instagram archive. Tap on the More option in the bottom right corner of the screen and hit delete. The third option, delete an Instagram story from highlights. Instagram lets you remove stories from your story highlights in just a few simple steps. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Go to the particular story highlight and open the story. Swipe up or tap the three dots and select the remove photo or video option. Then hit confirmation. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next video.